Hey guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get free and easy Google credit, and here we go. So first, I have two methods to do that, and first method is to go to Google Play Store, go to settings, notifications, and then you want to check this one, deals and promotions. This one is what you need to check. I already have it checked, so that's good. And what this is that like every big holiday, they're gonna send you a $1 of Google Play credit that you can use on any app. And this is my first method of earning it. My second method is to search up Google. Just go search up Google Play credit, and Google Opinion Rewards would pop up. And this is the app that you want to install, so I'll just install that. um and this is where you do quick surveys, 10-second surveys for Google Play credit. And here, done. Choose an account, and then I'll choose an account. And I already made an account, but if you haven't made an account, you're gonna have to answer a survey, make yourself look probably as poor as possible, and it probably give you a lot of surveys. But right now I don't have a survey. So yeah, that's how you earn Google Play credits. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share this video. And yeah, thanks for watching.